Hello guys, we have started our new video. In this project, we will see that the annual average rainfall of India on the basis of past decade. Now, first of all, we will see that what are the climatic changes which occurs in the past 100 decades. A groundbreaking initiative to combat climatic changes. In this page, we will introduce some reasons why the global warming is increasing. The first reason is greenhouse gas emission. Greenhouse gas emission is basically caused by the carbon dioxide, which is primarily from the burning fossil fuel, and then methane, released from the agricultural, especially livestock landfill, and then nitrogen oxide, emitted from the agriculture and the industrial activities, and then fluorinated gases, that is the synthetic gas used for the industrial applications. There are various aspects that leads to the global warming. Now, the second one is industrial process. In industrial process, there is a term distillation. In distillation, there is a separation of mixation of different in the boiling point, and after that there is a chemical reaction energy. In this, the design and the operation of the chemical reactors to produce the desirable chemical product, and then electrolysis, which is used to produce the electric current to a non-driving simultaneously chemical reaction. Now, in this slide, we will see the average annual temperature, that is in the past a decade, that is we have considered our data from 1900 to 2000. In this decade, the average annual temperature is around 1900. The average annual temperature from 1900 to 2000 2020. At the 1900, the average annual temperature is 29.29 degrees Celsius, but after the 2015, it increased to 31.63 degrees Celsius. The increment of the temperature after the year 2016 was around 5.78%, which is effectively high. Now we have seen that the different year group and the average annual rainfall in that different year group. In this, we have studied that in the year 1900 to 1920, the average annual rainfall was 27.2 degrees Celsius, but due to the reason of industrialization and urbanizations and the relative air pollution and exposure, our average annual temperature goes from 1900 27.2 degrees Celsius to 31.63 degrees Celsius. After that, we have seen the average annual rainfall, that is during the past decades, the average annual rainfall is quite decreasing as the increasing temperature. For example, in the year 1900 to 1920, the average annual temperature was around 1500 millimeter per centimeter cube, but now it is around 1000 millimeter. This is caused due to the increase in temperature. In the second graph, we have seen that the most of the rainfall occurs in the month of October to December. That is, it occupies 74.22%. Now, in the next slide, we have seen that our conclusion, that is, as the annual average temperature in India is increasing, due to which rainfall in India is decreasing, that impacts is easily visible. Therefore, to reduce climatic changes, we have to take some measures because both the results of the temperature and the rainfall are not in favor. So, Both the factors are inversely independent, that is, the temperature increases, then the average annual rainfall decreases.